Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and money?
This is not where the money is.
Oh, that's disappointing.
If you guys are ever wondering what the inside of an ATM looks like. Yes. All right. On this ATM.
I don't know. Would it make sense to try to bang this off? Maybe there's
money in there?
There it is. There it is. There it is. That's it. Hey, you are $4,000 rich. I can just feel it. Bob, I think you're right. I think it's happening for us. I think this is our big break. You're going to be quite rich at the end of this. I'm convinced there's money. So you're getting up behind there. So show me, you're trying to pop that.
Yeah, trying to get this pin. It looks like if you move the pin, then it'll push right through.
Oh. So what's your plan now? Talk me through it.
Well, I wish I had something better to bang this plate through. Because I think...
New blade.
What is that? Oh my gosh! You had that the whole time? Girls, the ladies watching are having as good of a time as I am watching you guys. Because I don't think there's fuel in it.
I don't think it's got fuel in it. That would be nice, because I think...
Yeah. Oh, I heard something. So now the current plan, Vic, is just to melt the ATM. Is that it?
I'm just going to melt this plastic, or this metal piece here.
Was drop likes if you think we're gonna find money in it, drop hearts if you think we're not, and we're gonna see who has the most faith in you by the end of this, and also who has a new business model. We're gonna have a bunch of random ATMs being bought and sold all over the internet. It's like buying a mystery box off Amazon. You never know what you're gonna get.
Do you think use this hole to our advantage?
Yeah, it's already kind of half cut open, you know. Wouldn't you guys use the hole? Let's see.
What do you think we just knock this whole thing off?
You know what? I think you need, at least have some fun. Knock it off. Yeah. That's fun. Knock it off. If we knock it off, it may take a... Oh, you don't need to. Maybe it has a new hole in there now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The highest comment so far thinks we're gonna find $20,213. Oh, $20,000.
I'd be happy to split that.
That is life changing. Just watching the boys do boy activities. They're very excited about it. They've been talking about this all week. Sarah says her husband's done this before, broke it open and found $12.
Oh no.
12.
Is that worth it? I don't know.
Well, are you having fun?
It is a lot of fun.
Okay.
But it wouldn't pay for the ATM though.
They wouldn't pay for the ATM, but this is the entertainment value, I guess.
Should have worked fast food.
Oh, that feels like progress.
Progress.
We're still battling the same thing, just getting in this box.
Can you see the money?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You see the box?
I think there's something in there. Yeah, maybe it's just me trying to manifest it. But
No, gotta believe.
something in
He
there.
said, the guy that we bought this from, you guys, if you're just tuning in with us, bought it from a storage unit, $300, $400 or something like that. And he said that it was just abandoned. The guy never came to check on it. And he said there's a gamble. There might be money in it. He was pretty confident there could be. Because other people who had bought ATMs from him found stuff. So, here we are. We're trying to see if we're going to be as lucky as those guys. I'm just having fun watching them try. And with really odd tools. Like if you could break into an ATM with a screwdriver.
It's a hammer and a screwdriver.
then we're all in
Classic.
trouble. All our money's in
MacGyver.
trouble. I can work those things.
It's moving though. It's starting to open a little bit, I think.
The money doesn't wiggle.
It folds.
Maybe. Once we open this
Into
guy.
my pocket.
Into my pocket. Oh, here we go, you guys. I think we're on the
Red
last
blade.
step here. We're about to open this box. I don't know if y'all can see that with the daylight. The sparks are flying.
This
You
is
see the hinge?
I think the hinge is there, but that's where.
It's hard to cut the hinge. Right?
I just don't know why they don't go through the latch.
Just,
Sparks just got me, man. I'm gonna stand back here.
How can you break through it?
Yep. Feels like that latch, you're just beating it down by now, you know?
Yeah.
You'd think. Because like that seems like that's the last line of defense right there, just getting through those latches.
what if I hold it out like that and you just cut this seam?
Yeah.
Or I can cut
Well,
some.
the seam doesn't latch to the door though. Unless it's locked from up here, I guess.
Oh, David, I see him. That's literally what I've been telling him, Abreem. Literally what I've been telling him the whole time.
What's that?
I can't repeat what Abreem is saying about you guys, but it's not nice. Wow! That was so loud.
I know, right?
You make progress? That feel good? Oh. You guys look. That is seconds away from popping.
What's holding that on there?
I don't know. I think it's a latch probably on that side, right? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like that's gonna do it. That'll do it.
Yeah.
Yep. You guys, we were seconds away from money. Money.
Never thought I'd use my axe.
Guys, next time you do this, we're gonna get better tools or something. You are literally right there. You're right there. We're gonna see how much money we got from this abandoned ATM. I'm pumped. I'm so excited. People are dropping how much money they think is in there for a chance for you to split it with
Let's see if we
them.
can cut
If
through the front door now.
you get it down to the dollar.
Oh, you were there.
He's right there. Smoking. The sparks are flying.
I was just gonna cut a hole in the front
Oh,
and
like a
pull the
big-
money out.
Oh, okay.
You're just gonna cut a hole in the front and pull the money out. That's
that-
the plan. That's not bad. I was just
What do you want to do?
I was just clarifying. I want to break open that latch. That's what other
That's what I'm thinking.
people are
The
saying
latches.
in the comments
The
too.
latch?
Yeah. Not even that latch. Like, what if you just go through like whatever two latches are holding on those side things? You know.
What if we switch saws? Go to the saws off.
That's what I want to do. That needle nose guy.
Needle nose.
It looks like a swordfish.
You think that the sawzall will get through that though?
It's got a wood blade on it right now.
What do you guys think? Will a sawzall, how do you even spell that, get through this metal door latch?
I don't know. Let's lay it down.
All right.
With that?
Yeah. Here we go. I bet this is it. I bet you're getting in.
Got about an inch.
An inch, almost there. Almost there. You guys, this looks way cooler even in person. Like, they are almost there. That thing is prying open. And there's a lockbox full of money. A bunch of people are just joining and they're making sure we own this ATM and are not vandalizing. Yes, we bought the ATM from an old abandoned storage unit. And so they don't have a key, but they said a lot of people who buy abandoned ATMs from them actually find money.
I popped something.
You did pop something?
You really need a crowbar, huh?
You really need a crowbar.
Let's go right there.
Had to do it.
Cut all the way through
I
it.
can see it.
Got all the way through it.
You can see in it now.
The metal shards, y'all see that bouncing? That was my favorite part. That was so cool. And it looks like this thing on camera is going so slow, but then I look at it in real time, it's going so fast. Friday nights in Tennessee.
Okay. Hey. What's that thing?
Oh,
See if you can grab.
There you go.
oh,
Is it a latch of some sort?
oh, yeah, you got the latch. Awesome, there we are. We're there.
It's
We're
like a.
there.
You think if we?
You broke the latch open. It's not popping.
Come down that side?
You guys, how do you think? Yeah, come down that side, and that's the last side. I don't know what else you would do. What do you guys think? Is there anything else that you can't think of?
coming open.
Yes, yes. So what's holding that on? Oh my gosh.
Let's set it up.
The last of the ATM, you guys. About to see how much money is in this baby. Abandoned
Yeah, I
ATM
think you gotta
finds.
get-
It's like Storage Wars. And we bought this from a storage unit. We bought it outright. We own it. We're not vandalizing. That's it. That's it. You did it, right? That's it. That's it. Yeah.
I think there's some money in here.
Really?
Yo,
Yeah, you
really?
can see in there, yeah.
Heck yeah, let's go.
Let's go. All right, Vic says he thinks he sees money. Last chance to place your bets. Place your bets. How much money you think is in this abandoned ATM?
Put it on the.
The team says 0. That is not hopeful.
What about the
Our buddies found $4 grand. It was a new business model. We're hopeful.
There you go. There you go.
Yes, 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 yes.
There's definitely money in there.
Really? Yeah! How is that not open?
1, 2, 3.
No wonder no one breaks into these things.
All right. We can get our hands in there. Do you want to try to get this little thing out?
Is there something else
I
that
think
pop on the
so.
bottom or something?
Yeah, get the box. Can you get your
All right.
hand in? Yeah.
Oh, I got some money. There's
Come on.
seriously.
No, you don't.
Yeah. Look.
Stop. What is your hand in a box?
Yeah.
It's just oh no! No!
Was
Wait!
it stuck
Oh
in
my
there?
God!
Was it stuck?
Oh,
Shut up!
actually,
no.
there's a. Hold on a second.
What does it feel like?
It's like you got to get a weird angle in here.
We're just desperate now. We're not even trying to open the rest of it. You just feel the money and grab. I can't believe
I
this.
see it.
Holy crap! Really? Is it a box?
There's
No!
some fives.
Oh my God! I have full body. I have full body chills.
It's like tucked in there. It's like
Yeah.
not even in like
It's
the
not in the
money.
box?
Can you see it?
Hold on,
it's
can I
like-
see it?
Yeah, it's like
try
feels
to get it.
scattered a little bit. Can you see down in there?
I can't.
Yeah.
Shut
right
up!
See, look.
Oh
Can you see?
wow! I did. Hold on.
Oh, this is a
Wait,
good one.
keep pulling. That's insane. It's just free flowing.
It's like it was tucked back behind the thing.
Like it fell out of the
20s.
box.
There's some 20s.
Look at that.
I'm.
Yes,
freaking
sir.
out.
Look at
No.
that. Yes.
Wait,
sir.
is it real? Is it real?
Yeah, it
Looks
looks
real.
real.
I mean,
Hold
what
on.
would it
Let's
be?
hold it up. To the side. Wait, you need like 100. Doesn't it have that line?
Stop.
There, yeah. Look.
It's real. Oh my
There's
God.
more in here too.
Let's
No.
count it up. Let's count it up.
Shut up.
Beer
You
money.
guys. You guys be a beer money.
Totally
That's
worth
a little
it.
more than beer money.
I would have been happy with $5, but this is insane. 20,
I'm freaking
40,
out.
60,
I ripped my
80,
arm off.
You're gonna have to end up opening that
100,
whole thing.
120.
Oh, there's
Oh.
100.
No.
Hold on,
There's
let's count.
100.
Hold on, let's count. 20, 40, 60, 80,
Oh
100,
my God.
40,
Oh,
80.
you guys. Holy crap. It's like,
there's still more of a
you say it's
stack.
like
I can-
tucked in between
Yeah.
this, like
It's because
not
it's
a
like
box?
a metal box that feeds into this thing, I think.
Okay.
Where you pull the money out.
Oh, that makes sense.
But it's locked in there.
260.
360?
Oh.
280.
Oh,
still
you guys
counting.
were already at
20,
360? What was your vote?
340.
Holy crap.
360.
Holy crap. No! That's a stack.
Yeah, it is.
That is a Oh my
It's
God.
465.
You guys, can I give some to my mom?
We gotta split
She didn't
this,
open this.
remember? We gotta split this though.
45.
I
With
know.
whomever might get it.
All right, you guys, you
45.
can't. I don't know if they can still retroactively drop.
490.
We'll have to look at the timestamp. So how much money
495.
now do you think is in this
Whoa.
thing? Shut up. Are you still
500.
pulling it out of there?
Still pulling
Dude,
money.
you pulling
you
that-
count that. You count that.
right.
500.
Oh
5, 10, 15.
my God, you guys. All right. No, again, we did not steal it. People are thinking we stole it. We're not vandalizing. We bought this. It's like a gamble, like Storage Wars. We bought it. That's
This
too-
is 570, so 770. Is that it?
You guys,
No, there's more.
we're
in
gonna
here.
beat
Come
those.
on!
We're gonna. There's more.
It's
Honey,
just-
do you see more through the hole?
There's only like, you need to hold it stack.
Stop. Stop.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
I'm
20,
quitting my
40,
job and only
60,
buying
80,
abandoned
100,
ATMs. Like,
20,
this is stupid.
40, 60.
We bought. How much did you buy
60.
the thing for? 400 or 300?
We need a calculator. 570 plus 260,
You guys, what's 570 plus 260?
700, 610.
Hold on, count that. We got more here.
No.
Wait, that's
This is
not
all
right.
20.
What was this?
This is
fi-
260 here. So
Oh my god.
280, 100. There's 300.
Oh my god.
20, 40. Ooh, a 50. 20, 40,
Oh my god.
60, 80, 100.
All right, everyone who
20,
dropped
40,
likes.
60,
I forget now if
80,
you guys thought we
100.
could do it or couldn't do it.
20,
Like we were gonna be money or
60,
not.
80,
This is
100.
stupid.
That's 300 bucks there.
So that's plus 300.
Oh my god. This is over $1,000
1170.
then, right? Is that over $1,000?
Yeah, we're over
I
1,000.
think we're nearing the end here.
Plus.
Nearing
I've got
the end?
metal shavings.
Well,
I still feel a couple more bucks in here though. Yeah.
We're at 1240.
holy crap.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Any hundreds?
No hundreds.
Okay.
300.
20,
Oh, is this like
40,
an ATM full of 20s left? And a 50?
60, 80,
Couple times?
90.
Keep digging. Dig.
I think we're out.
We gotta break open the
All
rest
right.
of it. See if do you
So-
feel
Yeah,
the
it's
box
all
at all? The
metal
box.
shading.
This
We'll count
was
it
in?
again to verify, but I think we're at 13.
Shut up!
Let's
Wow, that was a very
hours worth of
successful ATM
What did we
buy.
pay for it?
I think 300.
Hey,
There's 300 or
yeah,
400.
that's like $1,000 profit.
Yeah.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth it. Holy crap! All right, dinner's on y'all.
Pizza.
Okay.